Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of 8-Ball Pool application using your mobile device. To log out of 8-Ball Pool application is super easy. First of all, make sure you launch the 8-Ball Pool app on your mobile device, and once you're inside this page, tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll be able to find the logout option. Tap the red logout button right next to the logout option and you have successfully logged out of your 8-Ball Pool account. The steps that I just showed you are the same for both iPhone and Android devices. Once logged out, you can log back in using another account if needed. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more videos like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.